Understanding Cellulose Insulation, a guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into an interesting topic that might sound a bit technical at first: cellulose insulation. But don't worry, we'll break it down together, making it easy and fun to understand. So, whether you're looking to expand your vocabulary or simply curious about how things work, you're in the right place. First things first, let's talk about what cellulose insulation actually is. Cellulose insulation is a type of material used to keep homes and buildings warm in the winter and cool in the summer. It's made from recycled paper, mostly old newspapers, that is treated with chemicals to make it fire-resistant. The idea behind cellulose insulation is not only to provide comfort but also to be environmentally friendly, as it recycles waste paper and uses less energy to produce compared to other types of insulation. You might be wondering, why do we even need insulation? Well, insulation plays a crucial role in energy efficiency. By using cellulose insulation in a building, we can significantly reduce the need for heating and cooling. This not only saves money on energy bills but also helps in reducing our carbon footprint. Furthermore, because cellulose is made from recycled materials, choosing this type of insulation supports recycling efforts and contributes to a more sustainable planet. Installing cellulose insulation can be quite interesting. It's usually blown into place using special machines, filling up spaces between walls, attics, or even floors. This process ensures that there are no gaps or leaks where heat or cool air can escape. The installation can be done in new constructions or added to existing buildings, making it a versatile option for improving energy efficiency. We hope this video has shed some light on the concept of cellulose insulation and why it's a smart choice for those looking to improve their home's energy efficiency and environmental impact. Remember, every small step towards sustainability counts, and choosing eco-friendly options like cellulose insulation is a great way to contribute. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Stay curious and keep learning.